What if I told you? There are places on Earth so strange, so mysterious, they seem to defy the laws of nature. From a lake that sets things on fire to a desert that sings. Today, we're diving into 10 places on Earth that shouldn't exist, but they absolutely do. Stick around till the end, because number 1 will leave you questioning reality itself. Deep in the deserts of Turkmenistan lies a fiery pit that's been burning non-stop for over 50 years. Nicknamed the Door to Hell, this massive crater wasn't a natural formation, it was created by accident. In 1971, Soviet geologists were drilling for gas when the ground collapsed, exposing a huge underground cavern filled with methane. Fearing a poisonous gas leak, scientists set it on fire, expecting it to burn off in a few days. But decades later, it's still burning. This lake looks like it belongs on Mars. With blood-red waters and shores littered with petrified animals, Lake Natron is one of Earth's strangest and deadliest bodies of water. Its water is highly alkaline with a pH as high as 10.5. That's nearly as caustic as ammonia. Any bird or creature that touches the lake's surface risks being burned and preserved, like statues in stone. Hidden deep within the Amazon rainforest is a river that boils. Known as Timpishka, its waters reach temperatures of 93 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to kill almost instantly. What's even weirder? There are no volcanoes nearby. Scientists still debate how such intense heat is possible in this remote location. Some believe it's the result of deep geothermal faults, but others think there's more to the story. Imagine standing on a dune and suddenly hearing a deep, eerie hum echoing all around you. In Kazakhstan's Altyn-Emel National Park, there's a 150-meter-high sand dune that sings. When the wind is just right, the sand grains rub together and produce a low-frequency sound, like a distant engine or an ancient chant. Some locals believe it's the voice of spirits. Scientists call it a booming dune, but no one knows exactly why it happens in just a few places. In Minnesota, a waterfall splits in two. But here's the weird part. One side flows normally, but the other vanishes into a giant hole. For years, researchers dropped dye, ping-pong balls, even GPS trackers into the hole. But nothing came out the other end. It was as if the water simply disappeared into another dimension. Kakamega Forest is the last surviving piece of a prehistoric rainforest that once stretched across Central Africa. It's home to species found nowhere else on Earth, including birds that sing in harmonies never recorded elsewhere in nature. This lake is so pink, it looks fake. Even when you scoop the water into a bottle, it stays bright pink. And scientists still don't fully understand why. It's not algae and it's not just salt. It might be a perfect chemical mystery of color. Beneath Paris lies a 200-mile underground labyrinth filled with over 6 million human skeletons. Some parts are legal to visit. Others, off-limits, dark, and full of graffiti from secret explorers. There's even a concert hall deep underground where musicians have played, surrounded by bones. At this hill in Ladakh, vehicles appear to roll uphill on their own. Some believe it's magnetic forces pulling cars. Others think it's an illusion caused by the surrounding landscape's slope. But even when the engine's off, your car still moves up. Deep in the canals of Xochimilco lies an island where hundreds of dolls hang from trees, decaying, eyeless, and terrifying. They were placed by one man to honor a drowned girl, but locals believe the dolls whisper at night, and some even move on their own. Our planet is beautiful, but it's also bizarre. From lakes that burn, to rivers that boil, to gravity-defying hills, Earth still holds secrets that science hasn't fully explained. And maybe that's the best part, the unknown, the unexplainable, the real-life mysteries hiding in plain sight. So which one of these places blew your mind the most? And please subscribe to my channel, it really motivates me to make other videos.